Home patio door upgrades in Bethesda, Maryland add value, light, and convenience for homeowners seeking modern performance and curb appeal. Patio door installation. Bethesda is one of the most requested exterior improvements for homes in Bethesda, North Bethesda, West Bethesda, and nearby Chevy Chase, especially when older units no longer open smoothly or waste energy. From backyard patio door installation Bethesda to full patio entry door installation Bethesda, local property owners often choose replacement patio doors Bethesda for better insulation, easier operation, and a cleaner indoor-outdoor connection. Whether the project involves a patio door frame replacement Bethesda, Maryland, or a complete new patio door setup Bethesda, professionally fitted doors help improve everyday comfort. Sliding patio door installation Bethesda is ideal for homes that need space-saving operation and wide backyard views. Sliding glass door installation Bethesda, Maryland is popular in neighborhoods near downtown Bethesda, Maryland, Bethesda Row MD, and Glen Echo near Bethesda, Maryland because modern sliding systems offer slim frames, smooth tracks, and upgraded security. Vinyl sliding patio doors Bethesda, Maryland are frequently selected for low maintenance and affordability, while aluminum patio door installation Bethesda appeals to homeowners wanting a sleek, contemporary appearance. For larger openings, custom patio door installation Bethesda can create a precise fit that enhances natural light and supports a polished exterior patio door installation Bethesda. French patio door installation Bethesda brings a classic look that works beautifully in traditional and upscale homes throughout Montgomery County. French patio door installers Bethesda, Maryland often recommend this style for homeowners who want elegant hinged access to a deck, garden, or patio while preserving architectural character. Luxury patio doors Bethesda, Montgomery County MD can include decorative glass, premium hardware, wider styles, and custom color finishes that elevate both interior and exterior design. For households planning home patio door renovation Bethesda, Maryland, French patio doors can transform a dated opening into a welcoming feature that blends timeless design with stronger energy performance. Energy-efficient patio doors Bethesda help reduce drafts, regulate indoor temperatures, and improve year-round comfort in changing Maryland weather. Energy-efficient patio door replacement Bethesda, Maryland is especially valuable for older homes in Bethesda, Maryland, 20814 where outdated doors may leak air or transfer outdoor heat and cold. Fiberglass patio doors Bethesda, vinyl patio door installation Bethesda, and insulated glass systems are all smart options for residential patio door installation Bethesda that prioritizes efficiency. Homeowners searching for the best patio door replacement service in Bethesda, Maryland often focus on low-E glass, weather-tight seals, reinforced frames, and professional patio door frame installation Bethesda to maximize long-term results. Custom patio doors in Bethesda, Maryland are the best solution when openings are non-standard or when design goals require a personalized look. Custom patio door installation Bethesda may include oversized sliders, multi-panel systems, modern patio door installation Bethesda, or tailored frame colors that complement brick colonials, split-level homes, and updated contemporary residences. A skilled patio door contractor Bethesda can assess access points, measure accurately, and recommend materials suited to style, traffic, and exposure. For homeowners wanting exterior patio doors near downtown Bethesda, Maryland or distinctive patio doors near West Bethesda, Maryland, custom work provides flexibility that standard off-the-shelf units often cannot match. Patio door replacement and installation Bethesda services are useful when homeowners need more than a basic replacement. In some cases, patio door glass replacement Bethesda solves fogging, cracking, or broken panes without requiring a full unit change, while in others a complete patio door replacement service Bethesda is the more cost-effective long-term fix. Patio door glass installers Bethesda, Maryland and patio door frame replacement Bethesda, Maryland specialists can address worn rollers, warped frames, damaged thresholds, and failed seals that affect security and function. This makes local patio door experts Bethesda, Maryland, 20814 a practical resource for both urgent repairs and planned remodeling projects. Fiberglass patio door installation. Bethesda, Maryland stands out for durability, stability, and strong insulation in residential settings. Fiberglass patio doors. Bethesda resist warping, swelling, and weather-related wear, making them a dependable choice for exterior patio door installation. Bethesda in areas exposed to seasonal humidity and temperature swings. Many homeowners comparing replacement patio doors. Bethesda also consider impact-resistant patio doors. Bethesda for enhanced protection and security. Impact patio door installers. Bethesda, Maryland can recommend stronger glazing and reinforced construction for homes wanting added resilience without sacrificing style, making fiberglass and impact-rated options attractive for long-term home patio door upgrades. Bethesda.